Hey there everybody, I really appreciate your support of the channel and for watching these videos. I also wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you and yours. I am posting this video just a few days before Christmas of 2020 with some news. As you might remember, I made a video about FW1 Wash and Wax a couple of weeks ago. In case you don't know, it is a waterless wash and wax product that I've been using on my airplane for the past couple of months. It is super convenient to use at the airport where it is often difficult or impossible to find a source of water to conventionally wash your airplane. I'll put a link in the description in case you wanted to watch that video. I am excited to let you know that the manufacturer of FW1, RGS Labs, has contacted me to tell me that they also offer a formula specifically created for airplanes and boats. It's called FW1 Air and Sea, and I'll be doing a short product review on that in the near future. The purpose of this video is actually to announce a giveaway I'll be doing for 6 bottles of the Air and Sea formula in the very near future. If you have any suggestions on how I can pick 6 recipients for the giveaway, please post your comments below and let me know what you think. I'll be letting you know how to qualify for this giveaway very soon. It helps me out a ton if you subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of new content, including how to qualify for this giveaway. I am super excited to receive support for this giveaway from RGS Labs and encourage you to visit their website at www.fastwax.com. I am stoked to be able to offer this giveaway as a result of the support we've received from RGS Labs. As with any product, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and also ensure that the product is suitable for your application prior to use. Thanks for watching the channel. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next flight.